Guys, I ordered plants online for the first time and they just arrived. So let's unbox them! Ooh. Let's see how well these are packed. The thank you card. They will be judged by how carefully they boxed them. Okay, interesting. Okay, what is this first? Oh. Is the name here? No. Okay, it's this super tiny succulent. Actually, a few broken leaves. Uh-oh. I forgot what these are called. But they're kind of like lithops where they have these windows up here where you see the color is a bit different. Which one is this? Oh! Ceropegia woodii, or the string of hearts. Ooh, it got caught. No. Yeah. Okay, so it looks like they kind of bunched it there. But it seems to be looking good. We'll try to unravel that later. There's this other small one. Yeah, most of the unboxings that I've seen, they use like this paper to cover them. I mean, to be fair, this is paper, but look how they're like cut like that. Oh, and I got some rooting powder because I can't seem to find in any of the garden centers I've been to. So I saw it online and I thought, let's get it. Which one is this? Can't remember what I've gotten. Oh, is this the Skindaps? No, it's the Pothos White Panther. Yeah, I like this. This is going to look nice against the other Pothos. Now this one here, I think, is the Skindapsis Ficus argyrius. Oh no, it's not. It's way smaller than I expected it to be. And it's the Acer palmatum Benimyco. So it's super tiny. It's a baby. And I got it for €8. So yeah, I'm looking forward to having this grow big and with that signature red leaf. Fantastic! This was actually the one I was really looking forward to. Yeah, I was just a bit surprised that it's in a bit smaller pot than I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be this one. I guess I kind of prefer the plain paper without these fenestrations because like the foliage gets tangled in between. Oh. Okay. Skindapsis pictus argyrius, my very first one. Look at this beauty. It's too dusty, a lot of its soil came out. So I'm gonna have to clean the bedroom again. This is originally $10, but it was on sale for 2 off, so I got it for 8. This was $2.80, and the string of hearts were $6.80. The Skindapsis pictus argyrius was also $6.80, and the Epipremnum aureum white panther was $3.50 if I recall correctly. And of course the rooting powder, 50 grams. All in all, just cost me like 34 bucks. I'm so happy with the new plants, you guys. Obviously it's not a big haul. It's my first time ordering online, and I was kind of scared that, you know, maybe I'd get plants that weren't good, or perhaps they were not packaged. Did you just fart? Kita. Anyways, where was I? Yeah, so, you know, I was scared that maybe the plants wouldn't be packaged rightly, but they all seem to have come in very good condition, except for this one. I'm hoping it doesn't die. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna, all the leaves are just gonna fall off. Like, just look at that. But they're so fun and funky looking. So I hope it doesn't die out. So time to get all these guys nice and settled. And now I just realized I don't have any pots for these guys, or kosh pots, or a saucer for underneath. So might have to take a trip to the store and get some saucers at least. So here's where I put the Scindapsus temporarily. And yep, the string of hearts up here. I removed the faux ivy and just letting the Ceropegia do its thing. And I put the Anastraria just down here. Yep, I'm gonna be eyeing this one closely and see how it goes. And so this is the White Panther Pothos. Looking great. I actually love how it looks. And I just scavenged for things around the house that I can use to put them in temporarily. And that should work fine for now. And the Acer is just right here where it's gonna get the most light it can. So let me know, you guys, which plants you were most excited for, or which you were surprised by. I don't know. Or whatever it is you guys want to tell me, put it down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you guys. If you want to see my first plant tour, then watch this video here, and I'll see you guys there.